Bread.
Bread.
Baguette.
Baguette.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Brioche.
Brioche.
Donut.
Donut.
Muffin.
Muffin.
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Cookie.
Cookie.
Biscuit.
Biscuit.
Scone.
Scone.
Brownie.
Brownie.
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Tart.
Tart.
Pie.
Pie.
Eclair.
Eclair.
Danish.
Danish.
Strudel.
Strudel.
Churro.
Churro.
Pudding.
Pudding.
Macaron.
Macaron.
Flour.
Flour.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Salt.
Salt.
Butter.
Butter.
Eggs.
Eggs.
Yeast.
Yeast.
Baking powder.
Baking powder.
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Vanilla extract.
Vanilla extract.
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Honey.
Honey.
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
Heavy cream.
Heavy cream.
Whipping cream.
Whipping cream.
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk.
Almond.
Almond.
Walnut.
Walnut.
Oven.
Oven.
Mixer.
Mixer.
Rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
Measuring cups.
Measuring cups.
Measuring spoons.
Measuring spoons.
Whisk.
Whisk.
Spatula.
Spatula.
Pastry brush.
Pastry brush.
Baking sheet.
Baking sheet.
Cake tin.
Cake tin.
Muffin tray.
Muffin tray.
Piping bag.
Piping bag.
Bread pan.
Bread pan.
Pastry cutter.
Pastry cutter.
Dough scraper.
Dough scraper.
Cooling rack.
Cooling rack.
Oven mitts.
Oven mitts.
Sieve.
Sieve.
Cookie cutter.
Cookie cutter.
Wooden spoon.
Wooden spoon.
Kneading.
Kneading.
Whisking.
Whisking.
Beating.
Beating.
Folding.
Folding.
Mixing.
Mixing.
Sifting.
Lifting.
Rolling.
Rolling.
Proofing.
Proofing.
Fermenting.
Fermenting.
Creaming.
Creaming.
Glazing.
Glazing.
Icing.
Icing.
Piping.
Piping.
Sprinkling.
Sprinkling.
Frosting.
Frosting.
Caramelizing.
Caramelizing.
Preheating.
Preheating.
Chilling.
Chilling.
Decorating.
Decorating.
Drizzling.
Drizzling.
Pastry.
Pastry.
Confectionery.
Confectionery.
Patisserie.
Patisserie.
Crumb.
Crumb.
Dough.
Dough.
Batter.
Batter.
Filling.
Filling.
Topping.
Topping.
Layer.
Layer.
Crust.
Crust.
Fudge.
Fudge.
Ganache.
Ganache.
Fondant.
Fondant.
Meringue.
Meringue.
Glaze.
Glaze.
Buttercream.
Buttercream.
Custard.
Custard.
Tartlet.
Tartlet.
Shortbread.
Shortbread.
Sponge.